The AI tools that I use most are Google Gemini and Claude AI.
The AI tool that I use most is Claude AI, basically in my everyday life.
I mostly use ChatGPT whenever I got a challenge to understand the concepts I study.
I usually use DeepSeek when I want to facilitate my studies.
I use AI to help me break difficult topics into simpler explanations.
I like to use AI to simplify my readings. Explain those readings to me like a 5-year-old.
It helps me to break down complex studies and lessons into simple terms so that I'm able to understand them.
AI helps me to plan where I'm able to complete the more tedious ones early and take care of the less tedious ones later.
It helps me organize my activities, and then I deliver my project or my assessment at the right time.
AI is making my learning more efficient by increasing accessibility and enhancing productivity.
AI teaches me back in a way that I'm able to teach AI back, and that's what I really love about AI.
We kind of say we rely on it.
AI is making me better at learning because I use it to understand, not just to copy.